Let's see tomorrow.
Alright. Up next, we have here RD TV, the representative of TFC. Your question, please.
Hello, Mahalima! Welcome to Doho! I'm RD from the Filipino channel and the Fox TV. My question, SB19 has gained massive recognition globally. How do you stay grounded despite your international success?
Wala siya si Chris Lawrence.
It's always, syempre, appreciating your players. Kasi if you don't appreciate life, or you don't appreciate the players and the people around you, pwede, syempre, nakita sa iba, o kainin ka na siguro yung lahat ng achievements sa mga players. But going to the siguro, listening, learning to listen to people as well. Of course, those who will be here. Siguro, we always try to help each other. Basta mag-usap kami during the hard times.
Such a great answer, Josh. Thank you for that. An amazing answer. Now we have to move on to our next social media partner. Fabinica, what's your question?
SB19. I'm Ika from Fabinica Vlog, and my question is, if you could dedicate one new song just for 18, what would the title be? I want you! Hanggang sa huli!
Kaharian, Reigning Music Kingdom. I'm thinking that I will talk about the community that was built by 18, with all the movements that they did, helping people, helping achieving the goals for the Philippine music. Yeah, kaharian, it's for everyone.
Thank you!